finally bought this oximeter, and before we break, I just wanted to know how you would recommend that I use it.
You put it on a finger, just as it is now, and see and look at your pulse. And if you're going to do any kind of a workout, any kind of a physical exercise session, then you write down your pulse, and at the same time you measure your positive maximum pulse, right? And then after doing a workout, you give yourself some time for your body to cool down, and then you measure your pulse again. And when it's the same as it was before, you need to measure your PMP again, right? And it's hopefully will be higher. But also it's helpful to measure pulse periodically, because if your pulse is quite high, you know that you are breathing too much. And in this case, you might want to do some breathing exercises, such as reduced breathing sequence. Remember that one? Or just a relaxation exercise, and most likely that will reduce, your heartbeat and hopefully increase your carbon dioxide. But just doing that can prevent an asthma attack. So I'm very glad you have an oximeter.